Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import models on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go. If you don't have the Roblox application on your PC, you'll need to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. And of course, type roblox.com and hit the enter button. Once you did that, just go and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Of course, you can create your account if you are above 13 years old, simply. And of course, when you create your account or log in into your account, I advise you super hardly to verify your email. That will give you the opportunity to reset your password if you get hacked or if you forgot your password, and it will even give you a free item. Who wouldn't love a free item, right? Anyway, so once you actually do that, go and download it. Once it's downloaded, install it and run it into your PC. Then you will need to log in into your account again once you run it. Then you will find yourself here at this home or at this main page, and from here you'll find different games depending on what you recently played and what Roblox is actually suggesting to you, or what's your friend's activity. So of course, if you want to import models on the Roblox, you will need to download the Roblox Studio. That is not actually available on the Roblox player because that is just for playing, not for importing stuff like the games and models. So of course, in Roblox Studio, find the toolbox. If it's not open, just go to the view tab and click add the toolbox button. In the toolbox window, click the icon for inventory. Make sure the left drop down is set to my models, then find and click on island of move extra props. This will add the parts into your game. This will definitely add it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.